the weight of the stone will bring about the centripetal force, which is a change of force. So the weight of the stone is equals to centripetal force, which is mass times centripetal acceleration, or radial or angular acceleration. So centripetal acceleration is velocity squared, that's linear velocity squared, over radius. So the weight, which is mass times gravity, equals to mass times this over this, that's velocity squared over radius. So mass takes some mass. We have this gravity equal to velocity squared over radius. So cross multiply. So the linear velocity squared is equals to gravity times radius. So linear velocity squared is going to be square root of gravity times radius. This is the formula we're going to use. Now the reason why this is very simple on the right is that there's no string attached to the stone. That's the first thing I want to note. And it's not like the Ferris wheel whereby the body is being seated on the seat and there's a kind of movement. No, the body is just being put, the stone is just being attached in the pail, and the pail is being weighed, vertically. So that's why I just have that. So it's only the weight that brings about the centripetal force. Without the weight, there will not be centripetal force. So quickly, we have gravity to be 10 meters per second squared. That's a constant, nothing changes it. And the radius of the circle is 60 centimeter. I'm going to move this to meter. Divided by 100 is 0.60 meters. That's the radius. So we're going to fix it in. So we have the V equals to gravity 10 times radius 0.60 meters. So what do we do next? So the velocity is 10 times this is 6 meters. So what's the velocity? The velocity of this square root of 6, that'll give us 2.449. So that's 2.45 meter per second. That's the absolute answer. So don't forget, what's the question? What is the least speed? So the least speed that is needed for this very stone to remain in the pail, to keep moving in that vertical, circular motion, that vertical circular path, is 2.45 meter per second. Very simple and direct. So that's everything for this very lesson. So if you found this lesson helpful, please give me a follow at Revelation Hub. That's on Facebook, and also subscribe to this very channel at EduMosaic. So that'll be all for this very lesson. See you in the next lesson. Thanks.